This plant-based onion soup with homemade mozzarella cheesy toast is so delicious and does take a little over an hour to make, but is well worth the time. 4 onions, thinly sliced, dry, no oil. After 15 minutes with the cover on, they're starting to soften up. And the stuck brown stuff on the bottom has released. So they're starting to look a little caramelized and delicious. So we're gonna do this for an hour. While the onions are cooking, start the cheese sauce. Cheese sauce ingredients: cashews, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, apple cider vinegar, tapioca, starch, and salt. Here's the cheesy sauce starting on low. Started getting lumpy, and now after it starts getting stretchy, mix it for another minute or two, then remove from heat. This is after 30 minutes. 45 minutes. You can see they're much softer, juicier. There is some brown bits stuck on the bottom, so I'm just gonna scrape that. Okay, it's been 1 hour. Wow, yeah, looks amazing. So I'm gonna do the next steps, which are adding the garlic, the thyme, the bay leaves, the wine, the tamari, the miso. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Add 1 cup of rich red wine. Let simmer and add 1 tablespoon of flour. So after 5 minutes, most of the wine has evaporated off. So we're gonna go to our next step, which is adding the miso, tamari broth, and cook another 30 minutes. So I added the tamari, the miso, blended it, and added 6 cups of veggie broth. And we're bringing it back to a boil. After it comes to a boil, reduce it to a simmer and let it cook for at least 30 more minutes. Now let's get the cheesy toast ready. Spread the cheese on the toast and put into broil. Broil until the cheese gets browned and bubbly. Yum! Thanks to yourmomsvegan.com for the recipe and Lake Street Dye for 90 minutes of groovy tunes.